today, you still didn't get it. You're still waiting to receive your unemployment insurance benefits, and we're learning more tonight about just how much the vendors are being made to process these. It's an unprecedented number of claims out there.
A lot of claims. WMER2 News' Mallory Sofaste obtained copies of those contracts and terms of these companies involved.
These contracts received emergency approval, meaning they didn't go through the typical procurement process. And we've learned the value exceeds millions of dollars and could be costing tens of thousands of dollars a day. Overnight, millions of people lost their jobs. States were flooded with unemployment insurance claims, and many floundered to keep up with demand.
It's impossible. There's no way to get onto the link.
To help Americans rebound, Congress approved relief programs, including unemployment insurance benefits for people who weren't typically eligible. States then had to scramble to find a way to process these claims.
There never was a website in America to support this.
In Maryland, the Department of Labor decided to hire a vendor they've been working with for several years, Sagitech Solutions out of St. Paul, Minnesota. In 2015, the Board of Public Works approved a contract worth up to $70.6 million to be paid 100% with federal funds to completely overhaul and modernize the state's unemployment insurance system. Then, on April 17th, the company received emergency approval to process pandemic unemployment claims for $2.9 million. And the new Beacon system launched a week later on April 24th. To handle the overwhelming call volume, the state chose Accenture out of Arlington, Virginia, to staff a surge contact center. The one-year contract provides up to 200 agents. 50 started training the week of April 15th, with another 50 added each week after that. The hourly rate for training and working is set at $55. If the state has 200 employees working at one time for 8 hours, that's $88,000 a day. Meanwhile, the state is also looking to hire unemployment insurance professionals for $17 an hour. According to the contract, it also costs $75,000 per month for the virtual agent and an additional 50 cents per conversation up to $300,000. In a letter to the House Economic Matters Committee, the agency said there were more than 236,000 sessions in May, which would equal more than $118,000. It's unclear how much Accenture has billed so far. They send monthly invoices, which we've requested. And Sagitech has told me they aren't in this to make a profit. They wanted to help the Maryland Department of Labor, who could not have otherwise met the demand. News reports in other states show pricing is competitive, with the cost being anywhere from $2 to $5 million to implement pandemic unemployment programs.